Now we will do 25th questions or question. Okay. So here it is given that side AB and BC, okay, and median AD of triangle ABC, okay, are respectively proportional. Okay, they are proportional. These sides of this triangle are proportional to the sides of PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. So what they are saying is that this side AB, this side AB is in proportion with PQ, this side, and BC is in proportion with QR. So this complete side, this BC, this entire BC is in proportion with this entire QR, and median AD is in proportion with median PM. So this median AD is in proportion with median PM. Okay, so uh, this is what is given in the question, and they are saying that one more thing what they are saying is that median AD, so this AD they are saying it is a median, and in this triangle they are saying that PM is a median. So median has a property, median is a line which divides the baseline into two equal parts. So it means AD is dividing this BD and CD into two equal parts. Similarly, PM is dividing QR in two equal parts. So QM and RM are two equal parts. And with this information, they are asking us to prove that this entire triangle is similar to this entire triangle. Okay, but they have given the measurement, the proportion measurements of only this part in this triangle and this part in this triangle. But while proving, we have to prove this whole triangle is similar to this whole triangle. Now we will start our proof part. Okay, now what is given, we will write here. Okay, what is given? In given, they are saying that as per what they are saying, this all the sides are in proportion. It means that they are saying that effectively they are saying that triangle uh, A, so we will write the given part. Here we will say that AD and PM are medians. So this is what is given, right? And as per the given information, what we can come to the conclusion is that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to, we can write AD upon PM. Because in the question only it is given that these sides are in proportion to these sides of this other triangle. So in proportionality form, in the ratio form, we can write it like this. So this is according to the given. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that the main triangle ABC is in similar with the triangle PQR. Now proof part. Proof part. Now we will take this AD median first and we will start. So AD is median. Okay. Okay. In triangle ABC. So it means I told you that median has a property in which it divides the baseline into two equal parts. So we can say that BD is equal to CD or DC, whatever you say. So we can say that BD plus CD is equal to the entire line BC. Now here I can write BD plus BD. So instead of CD, I can write BD once again, because if you write BD or if you write CD, it is one and the same. So I am replacing CD with BD is equal to BC. So 2 times BD we have. So 2 times BD is equal to BC. So this is one conclusion to which I am reaching right now. So I will name this as 1, and I will say also in the other triangle PM is median in triangle PQR. Okay, and here we can say that QM is equal to RM, and I can say that QM plus RM is equal to QR. So I will write here QM plus QM is equal to QR. What I did, instead of RM, I am replacing this RM with QM. So instead of this RM, I am writing QM because both are same. So 2 times QM is equal to QR. So I will name this as second equation. Now I will say, now in triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Okay. So I will take these two small triangles, this small triangle and this small triangle. And what I will say, as per the given thing, the ratios I will write. So AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM is equal to BC upon QR. So this I am writing as per given, what we have written in the given CL. So same thing I am writing. Now what I will do, I will replace this BC with 2BD and QR with 2QM, because if we write QR or if we write 2QM, it should be one and the same, because that is what we have proved here. So I will write AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM is equal to, instead of BC I will write 2BD, and instead of QR I will write 2QM. 2QM. And now what I will do, I will cancel, and I am writing this from equation 1 and 2 with respect to equation 1 and that is what we have proved. Okay, from 2 and in 1, that is what we have proved. So according to 1 and 2, I have changed BC and QR here, and I will cancel this 2 and 2 now. Okay, and I will write this once again on the next page. So we will write AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM is equal to PD upon QL. So here 2 and 2 we cancelled, so no need to write that. And now by side similarity criteria, we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Okay, and let me name this as our third part equation. Okay, now in congruency of triangle we used to use CPCT. So similarly we can use corresponding parts of similar triangle. According to that concept I can say by corresponding parts of similar triangles. You can call this CPST. Okay, CPST. In 9th standard we studied CPCT for congruent triangles, but here we are studying in 10th standard, we are talking about similar triangles. So replace this C with S. Okay, and what this concept says is that once we prove that any two triangles are similar, automatically the angles should become equal. So the angles of both these triangles should be equal. And this particular concept is called as corresponding parts of similar triangles. Now, so according to this concept now, what I can say is that angle B is equal to angle Q. I am saying that now because we have proved this small triangle and this small triangle are similar, it means angle B and angle Q should be equal to each other, right? Now, now we will say in triangle ABC. Now we will come to the main triangle, to the main question. Okay. This is what actually we needed. This is what we will be using in this main proof now. Okay. To prove this only we did all this calculation. Okay. Now in both these main triangles, I will say that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. This is as per given I am writing because it is given. Okay, in our on our last page you can check that AB upon PQ. This side AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Okay, so two sides and one angle. This angle B is equal to angle Q. So angle B is equal to angle Q from our third equation. From third equation. So with this, all three things, okay, all three things, what we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. And we are saying this with, respect to concept side angle, side similarity criteria. Similarity criteria. Because see here, there are two sides, side 1 and side 2. Okay, so this is one side, this is one side, and in middle there is one angle also. B is equal to Q, which is equal. So side there is one angle and there is another side which are in proportion. Okay, the angle is equal and the sides are in proportion. So it is a similarity criteria, and with this concept, both the triangles are similar to each other. And this is what they had asked us to prove in this question. Okay, if you have any questions, you can comment those questions. Okay, you can write those questions in the comment section, and we will, we'll be happy to, resolve your doubts, guys. So this completes our question here, 25 or question. Okay, this question is 25 or question. Guys, to motivate me, please like, share, comment, and subscribe this YouTube channel. And for online tuition classes, visit this website. Thank you very much, guys.